Welcome to the world of builder briefs, where innovation and comfort meet. Our boxer briefs are designed with construction workers in mind, featuring an 8-inch inseam for maximum coverage and support. But that's not all. Our secret weapon? The magic of bamboo fiber. Made with 95% bamboo and 5% spandex, our briefs offer unparalleled softness and breathability. Bamboo fiber naturally wicks away moisture, keeping you cool and dry no matter how demanding the job. Its hypoallergenic properties minimize skin irritation, while the flexible spandex ensures a snug, non-restrictive fit. Experience the difference with builder briefs. Stay comfortable, supported, and ready to tackle any challenge. Builder briefs. Workwear that works as hard as you do.